Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great. In this video we're going to be going over 15 tips and tricks for your Apple Watch 3. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Proz. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Number 1. So you can view the Apple Watch just by flipping your wrist. Once it's off, flip your wrist and it lights up. To turn it off, just tap it with your palm and it will shut off. Number 2. So you can view notifications or you can set to hide them for more privacy. So for example, this is just WhatsApp. I'm going to set it up here to hide the notification. You're going to open up the Apple Watch app on your phone, go to notifications, and here enable notification privacy. So now when we receive messages, it's going to show just the app icon and it's going to hide the message. Number 3. So you can change the faces of your Apple Watch just by sliding to the left, as you can see here. Keep sliding left and you can change them. You can also tap and hold on it, and you can swipe from left to right to change app faces as well. Or you can choose to customize the app faces. If you hit customize, you can scroll with the dial on the side up and down, and it will change and customize the face even further. Number 4. So you can also add complications to your Apple Watch face. So on your Apple Watch, you can edit them and rearrange them. And once open on your Apple Watch, when you're customizing your face, you can set up complications anywhere on the Apple Watch that you prefer, and you can change the complications that you prefer to use by scrolling with the dial. Number 5. So you can also listen to music from your smartwatch. For this, you'll have to transfer music to the Apple Watch. So on the Apple Watch app, go to music and select the songs that you want to transfer over. Once they're done transferring over, make sure you're connected to Bluetooth to some headphones. Open up the music app on the watch and select the music that you want to listen to. And now you'll be able to listen to music from your Apple Watch and won't have to take your iPhone around. Number 6. So you can add new faces as well. Just scroll to the left on your faces and it's going to give you the option to add a new face. Here you can scroll with the dial up and down and select the new face that you want to add. You can also add pictures from your gallery and set them up as your Apple Watch face. Number 7. So you can also double tap on the faces and see the different features that they have. If you double tap on the Toy Story one, a video will actually play, short video. You can play around with the different faces. The one with the Earth has the option where you can select it and the moon will show up, or the other option will give you the rotation of our universe. Pretty cool features here from the faces. Number 8. So to change the view of the apps, you can hold on the apps and it will give you the option to change to list view, which is this view here, or you can press and hold on it and change it back to grid view as well. Number 9. So if you double tap on the crown, you can actually switch between the two last previous open apps. Number 10. So you can also use the zoom in feature. If you double tap with both fingers, it will zoom into any screen that you're in. You can also use your two fingers to scroll around. So to enable this, just go to your settings on your Apple Watch and go to General. Here you're going to go to Accessibility, and here you're going to see Zoom feature. So you're just going to enable it and that will give you the zoom feature. Number 11. So you can also take pictures with your Apple Watch. Just go to the camera app and you're going to be able to view on your Apple Watch whatever it is that you're viewing on your Apple iPhone. You can also change to the front camera on the iPhone and you will view yourself on your Apple Watch. There is also the option for a timer so that you can take pictures after a few seconds, or you can just take the picture directly from the watch and view them as well. Number 12. So you can also change the way you view the calendar. If you tap and hold on the calendar app, it will give you different options. If you click on today, it will take you to the entire calendar month, so you can view every single day. Or you can click back on today's date and it will open up today's scheduled events. Number 13. So you can also set up different default message replies. Once you receive a message notification, if you scroll downwards, you will see there's already default replies here. You can actually add your own custom default replies. You'll have to do this by opening up the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, go down to messages, and here you're gonna go to default replies. Here you're gonna scroll down to add reply, and then here you can add your custom reply and save it, and it will appear on your Apple Watch. Number 14. So to disable and enable passcode, just go to settings, scroll all the way down, and you'll get the passcode option. Here you can enable the passcode option here. It's going to ask you to enter your 4-digit password, and it's going to ask you to confirm it once again. And there you go. It's going to be set up. Also, if you scroll down, you're going to see a option that says wrist detection. This is so that if the watch is not on your wrist, it will detect it and ask for a passcode. And number 15. So you can also take screenshots. Just click on the crown and the power button at the same time, and it will take a screenshot. To do this, you'll have to open up the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. In your settings, go to General and enable screenshots. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.